There's no such thing as work-life balance. None! Learn to be super successful. Subscribe to my channel, meathead. See, if you're not a billionaire, you failed in my eyes. Those are the only, just like Nick, those are the only guys I keep track of. The 187 world champions he's got, or whatever the number was.
I don't get it.
Yeah, those are the only ones I keep track of. I remember their names. I'm not going to know your fucking name tomorrow. No, next week. Tomorrow I will because you're still here. Next week I'm not going to know your fucking name. The world only remembers winners, or because Hitler was a winner. As I said before, he was killing the wrong people. But the point that the young lady made, he didn't know shit. No matter, I could have a seminar from now till Christmas and you won't believe that. Because if that's true, as I suggested, then why are you where you are today if you don't have to know shit to be a billionaire? Why? Poor role models, blah, 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 blah. Okay? That's why. But you don't have to know shit. And the more you know about the industry, the less likely you're going to be a billionaire. I used to tell people, nobody wanted to hear it, I didn't know that oil and gas came up the same hole. Oil and gas come up the same hole, then there's a separator on top, and you separate. But I thought it came up two holes for 10 years, no, 7 years. And we had the fastest growing energy company on the planet for 8 years in a row. And the founders were, none of us were oil and gas guys. Accountant, lawyer, me. Now I'm an oil, I know a lot. Now I know enough. No, that's too risky, I would say. And certain things that I did before, no, fuck. That's a 1 in 20 shot. I wouldn't, there's a saying in this country, I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. I mean, and I probably wouldn't have made all that money.